Hi there, Ryan from Brantford, Ontario here to talk to you about Rust-Oleum LeakSeal Clear Roof Patch. This is a great product. I've used a lot of the caulking gun tube style roof patches in the past, and I've just found that this is a far superior product. Right off the bat, you can see right to the bottom of the can, you know exactly how much you have, whereas with those caulking gun tubes, you're kind of guessing, especially as you're getting near the end. Another great thing about this product is it spreads very well, spreads very easily. It forms perfectly to the surface that you're applying to. Goes on with a trowel, putty knife, anything like that. It dries clear, so it works with basically any color, any style of roof. You could use it over roofing screws if you had a steel roof, that kind of thing. So I find it to be a great product. Dries quickly. Doesn't fade with the sun. I've got a patch here that's been up for a couple months. Looks exactly as it did the day I applied it. It's strong. It's a bit flexible if you were using it in an area where you had a bit of a roof that was had a bit of bounce to it. So overall, a great product. I'd highly recommend it. I would recommend Rust-Oleum Clear Roof Patch to friends and family.